Use an oscillating tool when you need a fast, controlled mortise for door hardware in tight or shallow spaces where precision matters. An oscillating tool excels on shallow faceplate and latch mortises because it removes thin layers quickly without swinging like a rotary tool, and it lets you follow the outline of a template or pencil line with a flat blade for consistent depth. Start by marking and scribing the mortise outline, then clamp a block or guide to steady the tool and maintain a square edge. This prevents tear out and keeps the faceplate flush. Choose a fine tooth or plunge cut blade designed for wood and metal contact. Set the depth with tape on the blade or use a depth stop and make several light passes instead of trying to cut full depth at once. For through-bore or deep hinge cups, consider step cutting from both faces to avoid blowout, and always test fit the hardware as you go rather than relying on visual estimates. Wear eye protection and use a shop vacuum near the cut to capture dust, since oscillating tools can fling chips in short bursts. If you are new to power mortising, practice on a scrap piece of the same species and thickness to dial in feed rate, blade choice, and hand pressure before cutting the actual door jamb. Common mistakes include removing too much material by rushing the cut, which causes loose hardware, slow your passes, check fit frequently, and use a shim or guide to limit blade travel. Another issue is tearing out the grain at the edge of the mortise when the blade exits. Prevent this by backing the work with a sacrificial block or by cutting from both sides to meet in the middle. A third concern is poor control leading to an out-of-square mortise. Clamp a square guide, score the outline with a knife first, and consider switching to a chisel for the final fine-tuning to get perfectly straight corners. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and supplies a discussion community where we and other members share real project tips and contractor experiences. We help contractors find job leads and help homeowners compare approaches and ask questions before they commit.